Hey, I get it. Starting a business sounds expensive and overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to do it for free? No upfront costs, no complicated setup, just simple beginners friendly platform that gives you everything you need. Stick with me and I'll walk you through how to start your online business today without spending a dime using System.io. Most people believe that starting a business requires thousands of dollars, expensive software, and advanced skills. But the truth is, you can start completely free with the right platform. That's where System.io comes in. It gives you everything you need: sales funnel, email marketing, course creation, automation, all in one free account. No subscription, no hidden fees. And that's why it's perfect for beginners who want to take action without worrying about money. So, if you've been holding back because you think you need a lot of money, let's bust that myth today. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how you can start your own business for free step by step. Let's get into it. The first thing you need is System.io free account. I'll put a link in the description. Click on that link and you'll get to a System.io home page. And from there, all you need to do is enter your email address and click here. This is for free forever account. You don't need to put any credit card info. I'm just going to tell you exactly what you get in the free forever account. You get 2000 contacts, unlimited email send. You have 3 sales funnel and a blog, unlimited blog posts. You can put on courses, communities similar to the Facebook group. So it's really good account with all the feature you needed to start your online business. Once you get that, they will send you an email just to verify it. Once you verify the account, you are ready to go. Log into your System.io dashboard. You'll get something like this. And right here on top of all things comes with your System.io free account. First thing you need to do is you build a sales funnel or landing page where you're going to be offering your product and collecting emails. Let's go to sales funnels and we'll just name it starting online business. And the funnel domain, you do get a default funnel domain from System.io. So it'll be your name plus the System.io, or you can get a custom domain. Now, if you want to get your brand up and running right away, I suggest to get a custom domain. I'll put a link in the description. I also did a video on how to connect your custom domain and custom email address to a system. So right now, I do have my custom domain right here, yogeshsainiguida.com. For this purpose, I'm just going to put the default domain. And what is your funnel goal to build an audience? So we save it. Then we just click on there. First, it's going to show you all the pre-templates that you get from System.io. Just go from there. Then we're going to customize the templates to our own needs, to our own product, or whatever else you want to start your business with. Let's see which templates we like. Something that's simple, but we can always customize it or we can delete it. Let's look at here. We preview it and it's pretty good. I can delete and all that. I like this one. We'll just select. And then what we need to do is go to edit page. Here you have on your left side is all the elements that on the right side is all your funnel that you're going to customize. First we do is get rid of stuff that we don't need it. We can also get rid of this. And then we can customize this headline. How about launch your online business free? Let's do that. So even if you're a beginner and don't have any technical, I like this subheading, so we'll leave that. Now here is where you can put your video. Just going to show you the video that I did for System.io, review for System.io. So I'll put that link right here. Then we just goes down to if you want to do anything with the borders. Not, I'm going to leave you that, but like say, you can just change it if you want it, and you see if you move it, this things comes in. And then we do a little bit more on this side. What will you learn? How to grow your audience with zero ad paid. We can get rid of this. And then this is the button where they enter it. So what we do is we customize the button too. So let's look at that. See right here. It's the show pop-up. Anything you want to change to the button, again, you can do that. Reserve spot. How about get free account? And then when I click on this, the pop-up will open. So you just go here, pop-up, and just go to the eye. And right here, we just customize this to get your free account. And this is for enter emails. We go on the gear icon and we just input. You can input all the other things, but email is good. We just want it to be as easy as possible for people to give you their email address. So the placeholder, and you can just enter email, and then we can go here. So this action button, when clicked to submit form so this is my affiliate link. Do you want a double opt-in? No, we don't. Then we can add automation rules, add action, add a tag, added action, subscribe to a campaign, and it will just pick any campaign. And I'm going to show you next step how to set up a campaign. And that's about it. Add, then save. Here's all the fonts and all that. If you want to change it, you want to change the color. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And after that, what you do is save changes. Now, here's another thing that we missed, subheading or something else if you want to write. We can talk about the features like free, sales, funnels, email, online, or and sell, and then save. And this is pretty good. We'll leave it at it is. Book a seat, and that one we can also delete it. Okay. Next one is we go down, we can delete this. We can just delete this, the whole section. What you learn in this workshop, you can delete that. Who is this account for? So we can just do that. The building network entrepreneurs looking at maximizing business who wants to start online business. Again, don't forget to do that. And we go down to where it says reserve your spot. Change that to get your free account. We save it and we go to the next. No bonuses. And here is, we can talk about testimonials. So starting off, right? And then testimonial, once you're affiliate, they'll give you digital assets. And one of the digital assets contains the testimonial from different people who have launched it. So what we do is click on here. You just change the thing and I have this right there, right? So you can just do 2 or 3 more and delete the rest of them. And you can just have info here, a little bio here about yourself. And again, here you can change the picture to your own picture. So here, and then you have a frequently asked questions, which if you keep on watching it, I do have some later on. You change the text to whatever you want it to. So let me see. So that's the first one. And then you can go to this thank you page and just see, anything that's thank you. You can just select this. I'll just select this. And again, edit page and then edit it. Here you can just say, please check your email. Please check your email for patient to start the account. Wisdom IO. So, and we already did the automation. Let's view the funnel here. And then let's click on here. So here's the email. I'll put the email and that's done. Now, the next thing you need to do is once we get their email, we need to start doing email marketing, sending them email because not everyone, whoever, goes to your page will sign up right away. So let's do the email. So we'll create campaign is the test 1, 2, 3, because I already have one here. So this is now here you can only use your customized email. So it's more important to get an email with the customized domain, free system IO account. Now this is just for myself. And then subject is what subject, the email subject. Now you can create a lot of amazing email subjects from ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT, come up with the awesome subject lines and you just put it there. You can do the visual or classic. I'm just going to leave the classic. Save. Here, the preview is the first thing, welcome your free system IO account. Now you can just talk here about hi. And here, we just took the email address, so we can just take that. But if you an email address, if you took their first name, sat name, you can also use this, like the first name and copy it here. So let's do this, and it will automatically fill in their first name. So you just type in a little bit about, welcoming them, about System IO, tell them a little bit about themselves, and then again tell them a little bit more about that. They will be getting more emails from you. So they keep that in mind. And then that's it. And then just to do thanks. And again, you say just in case if you didn't get the count, click here. And then again, you can just put your system.io, system.io. There, your system.io's, where is this? Affiliate link. And then that's it. And you activate it. Create. And then the next subject will be build sales funnel. So you can send them 5, 6 emails, sampling them out how to get started with system.io. This is let's build sales funnel. And then again, the same thing that, and then if you did any YouTube and all that, or just do any bullets points on how to build a sales funnel, if you need help, they can reach out to you. And then you can say one day after this, and you can just say you want the weekdays, weekend. You can also use that and activate. So that's good. And the same, and this is the way you can keep on creating the email campaign send them 6, 7 campaigns throughout, and that will help them get starting with the system IO. And the other things that we can do, there are a lot of other things that you can do with system IO. If you look at dashboard, and then you can also do the physical products, courses, communities. Yeah, I'm not going to go in details about this. I did the system IO review on all of these features. So I'll put a link in the description. You can go in there, take the video out where I go over all these features, overview of all these features, and how you can fill with the system IO. All right, guys. Now you have the sales funnel and email marketing. Let's drive free traffic, leveraging social media. You can post content related to your niche on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also do pin marketing, creative, attractive pins that link back to your sales funnel and website. You can also join Facebook groups and communities, can engage in relevant groups and share value before promoting your offer. You can also write blogs with high-ranking keywords that drive organic traffic to your funnel. And lastly, you can also do affiliate collaboration. Partner with an influencer or affiliate to promote your freebies or course. I know a lot of people wonder if System.io is totally free, if they can actually make money with it, and when or if they should upgrade. I had same questions when I started. So let me clear up the most common doubts and share what worked for me. First question that comes to mind is System.io really free forever? Yes, I started with free plan myself, and guess what? It included 2,000 email content, unlimited emails, and free sales funnel. Everything you need to start making money. You can build a full-fledged business without spending a dime. Upgrade is completely option and only necessary when you're ready to scale. Another question that comes to mind is, can I actually make money with this? Absolutely. I'm a proof of that. It worked. I started with free plan and began earning money as an affiliate with System.io. Many people also use it to sell digital products, coaching, or services. The key is consistency and driving traffic to your funnel. Another question that comes to mind is, how do I get traffic if I don't have an audience? No audience? No problem. I use social media, Pinterest marketing to drive traffic for free. Here's what you can do. Share short form videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok to attract potential buyers. Leverage Pinterest SEO for long-term organic traffic. Engage in Facebook groups where your audience hangs out. Provide value before promoting your offer. Another question, what if I don't have products to sell? That's exactly why affiliate marketing is so powerful. I started by promoting a System.io and earning commissions, but you can also create a simple digital products like a checklist, mini course, or ebook. You can use ChatGPT for that. System.io lets you post and sell digital products seamlessly, even on the free plan. When should I upgrade to paid plan? I upgraded only after I started making money. The free plan has all the features you need to launch your business. And once your revenue grows, you can upgrade to unlock more advanced tools. No risk, no pressure. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. I love to help you. So there you have it. Starting an online business with no money is totally possible, and System.io makes it super easy. No more excuses. Whether you want to start a blog, sell a course, or build a funnel, you can do it all for free. Here's what to do next. Click the link in the description to sign for your free System.io account. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of business you want to start. I'd love to hear your ideas. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more easy step-by-step online business guides. Bonus for all of you still watching this video, if you want a free checklist on how to launch your first sales funnel, check the pinned comments below. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video. Happy business building.